Hello friends, welcome to MasterCAM training session. In this lecture we will discuss about cross deal operation. So first of all we need to object. So I will create solid cylinder. The value is radius 15 and height 35. Okay, change the view as a front. Wireframe you will see here. Now create line here to here. Okay, now create circle. So you will see I will change the C plane front. Radius is 3. Okay, so I will just change move inside with value 6. Okay, again select this, translate and copy at here. The value is 12. So number of object add, I will change the value 11. Okay, now you will see this is at a center. So I will select, translate, in Z the value is 15. Move and OK. Change the C plane at the top. Selection, rotation with 90, copy and 3 object. Okay, so I will delete this line. Okay, so change the view shaded and now change the view front, wireframe all selected, C plane also front, rotation at 90 with 1 object and move. Okay, shaded. Now select the machine, lathe as a default. Select stock, first of all stock plane. Okay, stock 2 point, so here end point 1 and end point 2. Okay, so I will set chuck jaw. First of all width value 30, 20 and 10, height is 10, both are 10. Okay, so parameter from stock grip value is 0.1. Okay and okay. Now you will see here. So I will select the operation cross drill. Select the circle and another side. Okay, tool selection. So I will filter it with drill. Now select your diameter 6. Okay, holder, cut parameter and linking parameter. So depth value is -5. Okay, and you will see both sides is applied, but we will check in verify selected operation. So just play. You will see here. So I will just close it. Here, right click this operation, copy, and here paste, select the geometry. So right click and delete all. Now select this all circle and another side also. Okay, just regenerate. Now change the view isometric and here select regenerate, select both operation. So you will see this portion are not applied. So I will again copy this and paste here. Control Z. So here I will delete all, select this portion only. Okay, regenerate. So we will select both here, verify selected and play this operation. So you will see here both side drilling is applied. See. Okay friends, so I will just cancel it, change the view isometric, and this is your cross drill operation. Thank you friends.